Congratulations on choosing the TimberSteel Premium Metal Roofing System from GAF. To ensure a safe and efficient installation process, we've compiled the following guidelines to help you get started. This comprehensive metal roofing system includes all underlayments, edge metal, valley metal, field shingles, attic ventilation, hip and ridge cap shingles, and other supporting components. It is designed to be installed similarly to asphalt shingle roofing systems by existing asphalt shingle installers with minimal additional tools and training. Always follow all local building codes applicable to your geographical region and structure type. As with any roof installation, safety is our top priority. When working with metal, safety glasses and cut-resistant gloves should be used at all times. Like all metal roofing, the TimberSteel Premium Metal Roofing System can be slippery, especially when wet. Soft-soled shoes with good traction on metal are recommended. Always follow OSHA fall protection requirements. Appropriate fall protection methods should be used whenever working on roofs. Check with local building codes and other authorities for further safety requirements. The TimberSteel Premium Metal Roofing System is designed to be installed with standard corrosion-resistant coiled roofing nails and typical asphalt roofing tools and equipment. The field shingles and edge metal can be installed with a pneumatic nail gun. Cutting or trimming of the metal components can be done by hand with a good pair of aviation snips. The hip and ridge cap shingles and ventilation are hand nail only, so a good hammer is required. Additionally, you will need standard roofing equipment like an air compressor, cap nailer, measuring tape, chalk line, utility knife, caulking gun, pry bar, cordless drill, extension ladders. A rubber mallet that does not leave marks on the metal will be useful when tapping shingles into place. Though not required, there are a few additional tools that can increase efficiency and improve the overall installation experience. You can see a full list of required and recommended tools in the written installation instructions found at gaf.com/timbersteel.